2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.